Ito, Home by Brian McKnight. Favorite song ko, dedicated ko kay Armelu Fontamillas. Asawa ko. Okay. Thinking back when we first met, I remember what you said. You said you'd never leave me. Yeah, I let go of your hair, give my cousin the sand, but now I'm reaching out and again, and I'm not letting go till you hold me, mold me. Sometimes I feel so all alone. See, I gotta find my way back home. So why don't you shape me, make me, wash me whiter than the snow? I gotta find my way back home. Master, upon my knees I pray, I just wanna be the clay. Put your arms around me, yeah. Place my life in your hands. Lord, I know I'm just a man. No, you understand. This time I'm not letting go till you anoint me, appoint me. Sometimes I feel so all alone. See, I gotta find my way back home. So why don't you chastise me, baptize me, wash me whiter than the snow? I gotta find my way, 'cause I'm lost and alone. I've been wandering long enough to know. Humbly I search for you, and I'm not gonna rest till you choose me, use me. Sometimes I feel so all alone. I'm on my way back home, so why don't you direct me, oh bless me, wash me whiter than the snow. I'm on my way back home. Hope you like it, baby.